5 Best Pressure Washers. Are you tired of scrubbing stubborn dirt and grime on your gears, garden fences, garage floor, or outdoor walkways? If you are, then the products that we are going to share today are perfect for you. The pressure washer, also known as the power washer, is a piece of powerful cleaning equipment suitable for both household and commercial use. It pumps water at around 100 to over 200 times the pressure of the air around us. It has a wide range of applications that help make cleaning faster and easier. Stay tuned, as today we will bring you the 5 best power washers for your home. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we have one for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now let's start. Number 1. The first product on our list is Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Have you ever seen how power washing experts clean streets, lanes, avenues, and boulevards in America? They amazingly remove soil and dust that you'll never think there until they turn on the machine, point the nozzle on the ground, and wipe away those specks of dirt. It may seem magical, but it's no magic at all, as they are just using a pressure washer. It has a powerful 1800 watt / 14.5 amp motor that produces up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for thorough and effective cleaning. You can now clean your patio, fences, backyard, walkway, garden tools, and equipment like riding lawnmower or wheelbarrow, and even the car without draining your energy. It features a dual detergent tank system with a selection dial that allows you to switch quickly on the detergent you need to use. It comes with a 34 inches extension spray wand that helps you clean even the harder to reach areas, like the underbody of your car, shower tracks, and more. If you think that's all, wait until we show you the Pressure Joe's 5 quick connect spray nozzles ranging from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. These spray tips are very helpful as it allows you to shift from high pressure to low pressure in no time. Joe believes that safety is always a top priority. So with that, this pressure washer is built with a safety lock switch, or the total stop system trigger, that automatically stops the device from working to prevent unwanted incidents caused by negligence, especially if there are kids around. It also saves more energy and extends pump life. Number 2. Securing the second spot is Simpson Cleaning MSH3125S MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer. If you are looking for a heavy-duty and versatile cleaning equipment, this product is perfect for you. It has an extremely durable construction made of welded matte black steel frame and base plates with powder coating to resist corrosion. It measures 34.8 by 21 by 23.2 inches with a weight of 65 pounds. The MegaShot series is equipped with a Honda GC190 premium residential engine that generates up to 2.5 GPM of water flow for efficient and powerful cleaning action. It comes with 5 quick connect spray nozzles ranging from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to help you assist in how high or low the pressure you need. You can use it to clean the walls of your house before painting, removing stubborn grimes on your car, as well as in washing heavily soiled patio or garden tools. It integrates OEM Technologies' axial cam pump that produces exceptional pressure and performance. It boasts the 25-inch MoreFlex hose, which works best even on a tight and hard-to-reach surface. The hose is abrasion-resistant exterior and elastic polyester braided interior to make it stronger and flexible. It comes with 4-ply premium pneumatic tires that help in moving the pressure washer wherever you want, be it on a rough or smooth surface. What's more, the tires are made even more sturdy to endure shock and to increase stability as well. Once again, Simpson Cleaning MSH3125S MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer, your companion in heavy-duty cleaning. There you have it, the 2 of our 5 top-selling pressure washers. Stay tuned because we still have more to share. All of the products on our list are carefully selected by our researchers to ensure that you get nothing but the best without spending too much. Let us know if there's a product you'd like us to review by writing them below. Don't forget to like our video and hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. Also, tap the bell icon to stay in the loop. Let's continue. Number 3. Next on our list is the all-time favorite cleaning equipment, no other than the SHAER Pressure Washer. Engineered with a powerful 18,000-watt motor, this product is perfect for cleaning all types of vehicle, backyard walkways and patio, garage floor and storage, and outdoor furniture. It is 27.9 by 14.2 by 13 inches in size with 22.4 pounds weight. It can easily clean even the toughest dirt, oil, grease, grime, or mildew with its 1 high-pressure jets and 2,000 PSI. The detergent tank system makes cleaning more convenient and swift, as you can instantly apply the detergent and wash it with water afterward. What's cool is it has a built-in cord reel, where you can safely store the cord so you can save time from winding and unwinding it. Plus, it won't clutter around. It has a universal hose connector and makes it quick to match various hose. The upright design with wheels helps in transporting the pressure washer anywhere it needs to be. It comes with a stainless steel wand that helps in cleaning tight and hard to reach areas on your car and outdoor equipment. Number 4. Taking the 4th spot is the Greenworks GPW1602 pressure washer that is compact and handy. It only measures 11.4 by 17.1 by 9.4 inches with a weight of 16.9 pounds. Its sleek and portable design with built-in handle allows you to carry power washer anywhere you go. Whether you are cleaning the car, patio, or furniture, this product can surely make your cleaning job easier and faster. It is perfect for limited space storage, as you can conveniently place even in a small cabinet under your bed or on the car trunk, so you can use it anytime you need, even when you are not home. With its 1600 PSI and 1.2 GMP, quickly washes away dirt, grease, grime, and more, giving you a squeaky clean finish. It has powerful cleaning power that will help you finish your task without spending much of your time and energy. It works smoothly and quietly, plus it doesn't need battery nor to be charged. Just plug it into an electrical outlet and it's good to go. It comes with a 20 feet high pressure hose that helps in cleaning difficult to reach areas. Another feature this product has is the quick connect nozzle and attachable detergent bottle for complete cleaning equipment that will make your task a breeze. It also has a 35 feet power cord with inline GFCI that is durable and long enough to use on any exterior outlet. Also, it is best to use this power washer in a horizontal or vertical position for greater balance and stability. We value your comments and suggestions, so don't forget to write them below. If you want to watch more product reviews like this, click the subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you also get to join our growing community. Isn't it cool? Well, there's more. If you tap the bell icon, we'll keep you notified on our latest happenings, so you won't miss any of our videos. Now let's continue onto our 5th product. Number 5. Our final top-selling item is a high-rated product in Amazon with 4.4 out of 5 rating. Are you ready to know what it is? If you are, then stay with us as we present the last on our list. A Riv Berry AR38SS pressure washer. This cleaning equipment is designed with functional features that will help you sweep away any types of dirt. Plus, it's easy to use. It utilizes 45% more pressure with less than 85% of water, which means it not only cleans, but also helps conserve water. It boasts the 1500 PSI with 13 amp motor that blasts away even the toughest dust, mold, grime, and more. It utilizes a tri-axle pump that generates 1900 PSI at 1.3 GMP for more powerful, efficient, and thorough cleaning. This device is suitable to use on most concrete or stone surfaces. It easily cleans outdoor furniture and equipment, garden fences, front door walkway, porches, or patios, as well as cars, bicycles, and other kinds of vehicles. The Riv Berry AR38SS pressure washer includes a 35-foot power cord featuring auto reset GFCI module. It comes with a 30-foot high-pressure hose with an integrated 48-ounce detergent tank that helps clean even the most stubborn dirt and far-off surfaces. What's more is it includes 4 different quick connect pressure nozzles that varies from 25 degrees, 0 degrees, rotary, or turbo, and lastly, the low-pressure spray soap nozzle. Aside from its powerful cleaning performance, this pressure washer also includes useful accessories, such as the professional-style pressure washer gun, pressure washer wand, and 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty backed up with US-based customer service through phone or email. So that's it, the 5 top-selling and most trusted pressure washers on the market today. We hope our review helps you find the right cleaning equipment for your needs. All of our items are the best among the crowded market of power washers, so if you see something you like, don't hesitate to click the link in the description box to catch it at its best value. Let us know what you think about our video by leaving your thoughts in the comment box, and if there's a product you'd like us to review, write them also to get it featured. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to receive notifications from us. Before we end our video, hit like and subscribe to our channel to be part of our growing community. Thank you all for watching.